Looking for the best security camera to protect your home in 2026? With so many options out there, choosing the right one can be confusing. So in this video, I've handpicked the top 5 best security cameras that offer the best combination of video quality, smart features, ease of use, and value for money. Whether you want full 360-degree coverage, solar power, or 0 monthly fees, I've got you covered. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Eufy Security SoloCam S340 3K Dual Camera. This is the Eufy SoloCam S340, a premium outdoor security camera featuring a dual lens system with 3K resolution and full 360-degree coverage. What really sets this apart is the dual camera setup, one wide-angle lens and one zoom lens working together. This means you get both a full view and detailed close-ups at the same time. The pan and tilt functionality ensures there are no blind spots, which is perfect for large areas like yards or driveways. Pros: crystal clear 3K resolution, 360-degree pan and tilt coverage, solar-powered, minimal maintenance, no monthly subscription fees, smart AI tracking and motion detection. Cons: higher price compared to others, requires good sunlight for optimal solar performance. If you want the best overall security camera with premium features and 0 ongoing costs, this is easily the top pick. Number 2. aosu 4Cam Kit Security System. Next up is the aosu 4-camera wireless security system, designed for full home coverage right out of the box. This system is perfect if you want to monitor multiple areas. It includes 4 cameras with 2K resolution, auto tracking, and color night vision. The solar-powered design and no subscription model make it extremely cost-effective long-term. Pros: complete 4-camera system, auto tracking feature, solar-powered convenience, no subscription required, easy setup. Cons: app interface could be better, not as sharp as 3K cameras. A great choice for anyone who wants whole home security coverage without monthly fees. Number 3. GMK 2K Wireless Security Cameras 4-pack. This GMK 4-pack wireless camera system offers 2K resolution and a budget-friendly price. For the price, this system is surprisingly capable. You get color night vision, motion detection, and even 2-way audio. It's ideal for beginners or anyone setting up security on a budget. Pros: affordable 4-camera bundle, color night vision, 2-way talk feature, IP65 weatherproof, flexible storage options, cloud or SD. Cons: battery life could be better. App notifications can be slightly delayed. If you're on a budget but still want solid performance, this is a great value pick. Number 4. aosu Wireless Outdoor Home System 2K. This aosu system offers 2K HD resolution, a wide 166-degree field of view, and strong smart security features. This camera stands out with its wide-angle coverage, reducing the need for multiple cameras. It also includes a built-in spotlight and siren, making it great for active deterrence against intruders. Pros: wide 166-degree viewing angle, built-in siren and spotlight, no subscription fees, supports both 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Cons: no pan and tilt feature, fixed viewing angle limits flexibility. A solid choice if you want simple, wide-area coverage with built-in security alerts. Number 5. aosu 3K 5MP Solar PTZ Camera 2-pack. Last but not least, we have the aosu 3K 5MP PTZ camera system featuring panoramic coverage and AI tracking. This camera offers pan, tilt, and zoom, along with human and vehicle detection, making it highly intelligent. The color night vision ensures you don't miss details even in the dark. Pros: 3K 5MP high resolution, PTZ functionality, AI detection for people and vehicles, solar-powered, great night vision. Cons: limited to 2 cameras in the pack. Setup may take a bit longer. A great option for those who want advanced tracking and smart detection features at a reasonable price. Alright, that wraps up our list of the top 5 best security cameras in 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Links to all the products are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.